Hello guys, good morning. আজি মই স্কুল দে social work খবল আছে আৰু যে social work কৰিম দে কি কৰে আপুনি এনেকে দেখাই দিব স্কুল দে আৰু কালি তো স্পোর্টস আছে না দৌৰনে social work গ্ৰাউন্ড kan লাইন তো গাইস চাই থাকিবি লাষ্ট তক আৰু সাপোর্ট কৰি থাকিবি বাই গাইস Hello guys, একটা সাথে লোক পাশে জিম্বি ওয়ে মোলা চিকেন লাও পরে কি কই দিবি সুপার বিচে না খাবে ওই এতে একটা এটা সাইড করো Alang gana alang. Dia punya kakek itu lah. Man kalah deh.
The next composition, it's about the masculine and the feminine energy. A contrast between man and woman.
Kita program देखिए बारह बजे बारह 2 बजे तक
Bolder and heavier in composition of the voice. Whereas the woman is supposed to be very soft and graceful.
ये अलग जीवन है
Is the heavier perspective of a man. Is the softer side of a woman.
ये राम मला हाते पट करते हैं सुबह
Masa kayak kamu deh.
Keep quiet.
এইটো ফোন লাগিব নাই থৰালা
সার্ভিস টিক আছে
এইটো ল'বি না
এনে সার্ভিস টিক আছে
এইটোৱে ল'বি না এইটোৱে ভাল হ'ব তো
কাটি
We'll be doing something really interesting. So I'd like most of you to please come and join.
সার্ভিস টিক
State of mind onto the canvas. Similarly, how an artist, a painter, thinks of a nice, beautiful scenery and puts it down with his paint and brushes onto the canvas, right? Similarly, as a dancer, we do have the power with the power of our mind, our movements, and our expression, our bhav. We have the power to create the scenery around us. Do you see? More we try and manifest something, the more we try and wish for something, we are able to feel it around ourselves through our power of mind. So we will be doing a little activity with you all, which is a little amalgamation of movements and expressions, okay? Right. Can you keep it straight? Okay. Am I audible? Yeah? Yes. Okay. Hold your ring finger against your thumb. Okay? Now in your mind, first visualize a tree, a trunk of a tree which is surrounded and wrapped in creepers, in beautiful vines. Yes? And a beautiful tree with a lot of flowers blooming on the branches. Okay? Okay, do it with me, okay? A beautiful tree. Show me a trunk with the branches standing out, and beautiful flowers blooming on the tree. Now imagine the breeze of a wind and let the flowers fall. Play their way through onto the ground. Let a deer hop into your picture. Let a deer hop into your picture. Yes, and imagine the birds flying around the tree, into the spans of the skies. Let them fly far off. Yes? Now imagine a creeper with a flower in the end, blooming. Pluck that flower. Now really visualize, no giggling. Try and pluck the flower and imagine the fragrance of the flower. And hold it close. So this is the power of dancing. This is the power of the mind and the movement, and a dancer to be able to create image in the head through the movements and expressions. Yes? Yes. Do we understand? Yes. All of you know counting till 4. I'm sure you do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Yes. So let's check out how good you are at counting. I need you to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1 back and forth. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do a little activity with the clap, but I want you to go 1 clap and 2 syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, I want you to go 4 times. Okay? The interesting part will just join in a bit. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Louder. Can we do it? You can come forward. Again, louder. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now you have to go double pose. Just like in Kathak, you saw different speeds, right? You saw like a slow speed and then you saw like faster speed. Let's try for medium speed, which is double of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Okay, we go double speed. If your tongue doesn't twist doing it, listen to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, supporting one. So can we try?
Yes.
Loud and clear. 1, 2, 3, go. As dancers, this is what we're supposed to practice. We're supposed to practice and go to music. So right now you were just going through the numbers that you have done as a child, right? You have been studying it ever since. When double goes, you have done that. It's very good. Okay. So let's try a bit of routine. When I will open your hands in the front. Open your hands in the front and take a twirl. Open your hands and twirl. Acha, and the technique to not go busy and not fake is wherever you're looking, if you focus and make a center point, when you keep looking at that point, then you take a round. So you won't stop. Okay. Let's have a final. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Can you try and say? Yeah, let's try and say. 1, 2, 3, and everyone count. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Everyone, I want everyone to do it with me. Yes. Okay, all of you. 1, 2, 3, go. Ta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey, ta, hey. Yes, like that. Okay. So these were certain aspects of Kathak that I just demonstrated. With the mic. Kids, I really enjoyed my time at your school and it was so lovely. Thank you so much for your patience. The weather seems better right now, so do you want to do a few more activities? Yes? Anything to keep away from the studies, huh? Is that? Okay. Okay, let's do some footwork, okay? Do more of you want to join on stage? Would more of you like to join? Yeah. Any of the boys? Any of you would like to join? No? Come on, let's do some foot tapping then. Okay, I want you to go. 1. You know, some of the best Kathak dancers of India are males. My Guruji, my teacher that I learnt from is Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj. He's the legendary maestro of Kathak and is the teacher of Madhuri Dixit and so many, Bollywood actresses. Most of the Kathak maestros and dancers from our fraternity are males. So, I would really encourage, more boys to come over. Perfect. That's very nice. Okay. Because, boys have like that. Do boys have more strength? No, right? Girls have equal strength. So let's try and tap our feet. Let's not break a leg, but let's try and tap harder. Yeah? Don't break your ankles, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now can you go back? If you go right, left, I want you to go backwards and do left, right. So you go right, left, right. Got it? 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right. Right, left. You really have to focus and that needs a lot of attention. Meanwhile, all the people who are around and doing nothing should say ta, thay, tat. Say ta, thay, tat. No, it is ta, thay, tat. Ta, thay, tat. And a, thay, tat. A, thay, tat. So you have to go ta, thay, tat. tat. So meanwhile we go ta the tat the tat ta say the tat the tat go ta the louder the tat ta the. Can we go a little louder? Yeah? So really loud. I want you yelling. 1, 2, 3, go. Ta the tat ta the tat ta the tat louder. Acha, people who don't understand syllables can just show it with their clapping. Ta the tat ta the tat ta the tat ta the. And people who understand the syllables should say it really loudly with precision, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Ta the tat ta the try and go faster. Yes. So that is how we go double folds, and this is how we practice and do through our sadhanas and riyas, the practice patterns. Thank you very much, all of you. You guys should stay on the stage. We'll get a few pictures. Yes. Okay.
Roll call भरेछ refreshment. Present ma'am. Itu sih Sharon aja. Kamera पे मन. Ini bagai YouTuber saya, tapi kan dia mau banyak kenapa sih boleh telah ngambil atau, tapi kan telah channel tapi subscribe. Thank you. Mau lagi support kita kan. Sports करने सामान किन्हीं वाले जैसे सामान किन्हीं वाले जैसे बाय guys aja काम खत्म हो गया
Hello. It's me here once again.
इतना काम खत्म होना करो जब बोले से
Uncle.
guys इतना खुरा से रास्ता दासे Bukan ilas kurai kita ngajar ni.
Aro asam na channel dia.
Tapi ekjun ase aja. Sob mana konyang mana ase ide.
Kali pra dosmon hobo aji dia friend ni jaje kali ro
House back ho jaye.
pa koi jaise volleyball match ta ko football match ta ko ti mala kana koi jaise to beshi mon duk koi jabo itu bi janai dia ase tu beshi mon duk koi jabo
तो गाइस आज ला भिडियो माने थाइसे तो काली स्पोर्ट्स আছে काली ला भी म अपनी खन के दिखाई दिबो ना और আজিলৈ মানে আহিছে আৰু গুড নাইট হৈছে ৰাতি হৈ গৈছে দেটো না সো বাই গাইজ আৰু আপোনাক মৰম বৰা সাবস্ক্ৰাইব লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ কমেণ্ট কৰিব নাপাহৰিবি আৰু মৰম বৰা আপোনাক শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিবি না আৰু কমেণ্ট দি আপোনাক मलाई भिडियो लगबाट के कलम আছে कमी ना so that's it thank you for watching bye guys next video to log korbo kali morning to 4 days sports ase kali morning ina bi nai ni to 4 days piche na video on so moi logena na to video on so logena ma youtube piche ta upload korbo na hale to एक दिन देखता डाटा 4 days पीछे अपलोड करो पूरा तो स्पोर्ट्स ला वीक पूरा ना सो बाय गाइस और तो की को ये वीडियो रुखी থাকিবি মই পাৰা তক জলদি আপলোড কৰি দিব थैंक यू गाइस थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग एंड गुड नाइट टू एवरीवन